Hey, it's Doran. Just want to do a quick video. These are my favorite marking tools. This is the Sharpie twin tip in black. You have the ultra fine on one side and the fine on the other side. They are showing that they do have two other, which is the retractable, which is just the same tip as the fine, which is like a bullet shaped rounded cone. And then they also have the chisel. I'm not a huge fan of the chisel. I thought it would be kind of more versatile where you could hold it and use it like a fine, but then also use it like a nice and thick. But then it ends up whenever you want to draw lines and do transitions to make letters, then it ends up getting weird. You know, you have a thick part and then a thin part if you don't turn it as you go around the radius. So I find the fine to be more useful. Since it's round, you can actually follow it around and get a consistently thick line, even if you're doing curves and radiuses and going around sharp corners like 90 degrees. Just I use these for labeling. I like this so much that I keep on me at all times. I keep it here in my wallet, which is just a stretch thing with my cards and then a couple tools. So I have this in here. So I use the ultra fine as a pen, and then I use the fine for labeling, drawing, whatever I need. So having both of them in one, I think is the best. Then I don't have to carry two things. I carry black just as a default. If I really need to label something, black is probably the best because it's a neutral color and shows up on everything. And then I just use the ultra fine as a pen or for marking, more precise marks if I'm needing to make a cut or drill a hole, something like that. So I always have it handy. The permanent marker writes on pretty much everything. Sharpie is, you know, the standard. So these were $4.12 at Walmart. Quick drying, fade and water resistant ink. And then the functionality of having both tips, I just think can't be beat. I almost bought a whole pack. They actually, I think it's a new thing. They have these in like every color. You can get a 12 pack with the whole rainbow and the double tips. It was about $20. So a bit on the pricey side. So I didn't quite have the money for that the other day when I bought these last night. But I will go back, I think, and get the fine and the ultra fine in all the colors so I can just have it. I use all the different colors to label my drawers and things. I have a color-coded system with the different colors, and mainly what I use is the fine point. I guess I do have ultra fine of the colors, but not in a Sharpie brand, just a cheaper brand that I got at, I don't know. So yeah, these are the way to go right here.